Apex News, India, Northeast.
Kublai Pibro, Kanigade Apex News India, Hikubar Bumpuli, Pipa Corridor Marble. The Nipai Shua Shikimat Kibakong San. Kubor ki babanya uyam nam tam chan sing lapin khamki ko umintri rangba thamai jongga jila manipur hakasni balang da ka bapin kut ya kapor kumba shisnam baladan ka president rule haka jila ya ga niga jing smai jongga kam but ka jing buri apan long da ulat ka jila u ajay bala haka jing yalang ka bala penlong halok bhavan ha empal kaniga jing kala niga jing khair haka san puthe kawan hadin ga jingyo ka bakraw haka lai tarik ukampang haka bapalat saw kusan ngot ki MLA kila ay ka jingya manjur pa ya using ubade unong ya lam barang ba na ka jat kun reu mete kum unong ya lam jong ka BJP legislature party bat ka dur jong ka sarkar ba thamai
as the Chief Minister of the State of Manipur, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and law without fear or favor, affection or ill will.
I,
Yumnam Khemsan Singh, do swear in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under the consideration or shall become known to me as a Chief Minister of the State of Manipur, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as a Chief Minister.
Kamighalaya High Court hakasmi thodin kala island ikinong shongshong kibala shakta haka jingplu ding kabadang shen ha 29 cantonment Shillong bakinshna yaki jakari kabashipor hinre kalapan paushai baom sha sakya ya kanu ka jingtei bariuspa ni bane junom hakata ka jaka badon ka jingyakan ad ni persha kanika hukum kalami hadien kakashari kala sngap yaka right petition balamudui dar kinong shongshong ki balasha pinjulor haka jingplu yaki ying de chongki haka khanre trek ukala lungkat ahaja apunre kinong budui kila yathu haka ying kashari bakila sa hamadan ne klem yeng nadu bajai kate yajinja wat haka por bajur ha ka jingkre kakong yaman sim ka chairperson jong ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women kalapdyang smubha yaka rai jong ka Supreme Court ka babatha yaki sanitary pad klem jingsio habaro ki school sarkar bat ki school shimen daga bakhad yaka kum kasin jam ka badai ban wanra menshua kalaong baka jing bishar kan kentio ya kaburam kakot kakhya bat kapuli klem thud na kabinta ki khna kan thai kalapan paru yaka jing bomdan ki lar jingyata hakapor kalapan long ya bun ngot ki khna kan thai bansha shitom haka jing snapjar but what bansenge ne I no ekisko
is always a good move, and it's something that is like should be done, I think, far much earlier than now. But anyway, it's a step in the right direction, and it's needed. So at least it's filtering up the issues and problems that women face, girls, especially in the rural areas and even in the urban areas also. So yes, that's a good positive move. But then in terms of implementation, in terms of it filtering down, as usual, as any law, it takes a long time. One, it needs the political will, it needs commitment from, from administrators, from people who are funding, it needs commitment from people, from the people themselves, are they willing to ask for it? If it's a right, then one should be more proactive. And I think they need all the help that they can, especially in the rural areas who do not have a voice. So we need NGOs, we need maybe commissions, we need, everybody everywhere. We need the media to be more involved so that one, that people will be aware that this is their right. And two, also to have a conversation in the public, about the things that matter, because what has come out of this, and we can only name a few, is that women and girls, they do face these issues. Like it's before, when a woman has to bear, a girl has to bear the pain, the shame, or whatever, the discomfort, of having your periods. But they don't talk about it. They can't talk about it. They can only talk about it with their friends, perhaps not even with their parents. But then many times it's difficult for them to go to school. And if they're not using sanitary pads, those old days where they use whatever traditional methods, that becomes difficult. And if water is not readily available, that is a big concern. So I would say that a lot of girls, I think they do drop out also because of these issues, because they don't want the hassle of, like, every month, they have to drop out of school for a few days. So the motivation to continue their studies also is gone. That is one of the things. Then for a woman, when she goes to have a higher education, or goes to work anywhere also, that is also, I mean, which boss will kind of be sensitive to the fact that I want to take leave today because I'm not feeling well, I have cramps, I have menstrual pain, I have this and that. So it's difficult for a woman to voice, because it's such a private thing also, no? But I'm happy that today's younger generation, they do talk about these things, like both men and women. But the older generation is like a taboo.
Ko all sin ho jong ka shilong kala long ka jaka pedeng jong ka tho katar namar ka jingalang jong ka jingpuli jingya tho bat ka jingya thau ka ba itanat balakring ya kinong puli na baro ki tirta hakani ka fair lapan I ya ki kot puli ki jingya tho na ka benta ki jingya kun examine ki novel ki kot ki khna bat ki jing tho jong ki thau kinong punya ki laong ba ki jing thmu kalong ban kentio Yaga culture puli kot pat ban ailad banyo ikikot kibabha hakador kabala banyo.
The way I think a lot, and yeah, I would say like almost every influential person, like every one of them they read books. Every one of them they make a habit of reading books. So just gaming and spending time only in entertainment, it will not develop you in any way. So having a book to read and having your mindset, uh, uh, mindset, making it broad. So I think that will help in the way that people will be surprised. Yeah. So I would suggest everyone, yeah, wherever, whenever you have time, to take a book and to have just even a little bit, just one chapter per day, one pages per day. Even that will also will help you in many ways. Huh? The way you live your world, the way you think about life. So especially for me, like how I live my life now is it has books have a lot of influence on me. So in that way, I would encourage everyone, yeah, to take a book and maybe read some. It will help them a lot. Yeah.
मेरा नाम आमिर जैन है.
And so regarding the books, यहाँ पे आपने ये जो मतलब fair बताया था, so what kind of response are you expecting? And secondly, what is your motive behind it?
Excuse me.
Different when it comes to I mean, if we have to compare between reading and actually watching movies, right? So all these books that I've taken up also, they're all they have movies that are based on these books, but then I feel reading, it opens up your imagination, and it lets you really go deeper into reading compared to watching a movie. You can just forget about that movie later. No? Yeah.
In today's world, children are greatly distracted with the different kind of social media gadgets and things. So I think as parents, they should take the responsibility of teaching children. And here at this exhibition, I don't know who it is organized by, but they have some very good collection of children's books. I have 2 grandchildren, so I'm just coming here to pick up some books for them. There are activities also which will engage the children, and I think it starts at home. So parents should come here as young parents come take books, activity gadgets and give it to the children and avoid them watching TV or tablet or phone when they eat. Read. I think reading is very, very important and encourage the children to read as well. Give them good books for reading so that they develop their knowledge, their skills, and also they are more they know what is happening in the world.
Ha Allahabad University ki jinget ho khubor ki penpau baladon bakren bian persha ya usavarnas da kumba shukno ba ukershan ye ki kam ki bayade bat ka UGC kino ye ki jong ka ABVP kila tuklar hakate ke jaka bat kila khangla ya kite ki jingja bakan num penhe bat ka jinge kan at ka bajo shushu
भाई भाई मार बहुत तगड़ी हो जाएगी अरे उसको
Menteri Rangba Hapatnal Bihar Uram Kriper Yadiv Ulakantho ya Rahul Gandhi Ubade unong yalam jong kaseng Congress ba upenthot ya kajinya jong ka sarkar parliament ulaong baka house katrekam katkum kaan bat kidukom trekam balabu bat on aila dikit khot banra ya kimat jinya kren lingba ki jinya tainya kababian
राहुल गांधी जी सदन को चलने नहीं दे रहे हैं। सदन को बाधित करने का काम राहुल गांधी जी ने किया है। अनाप शनाप बात आप सदन में रखिएगा, कोई याद दे देगा आपको बहस करने के लिए। नियम कानून से चलता है ना।
haka jingya thu kabaklan hadien ka jingya khun jingya kan an hakeshtua ki bor jingya da pahara ki loong ya ki nong le kam bamman ni ki le no na Pakistan on penduk pendam bat bread ya ki shaki jakari jongki hi haka jingja kapas ngusi haka Ziabad Uttar Pradesh layat hu balai ngut ikhna kanthai ki badang ret ka kerta ki layap no da ka ba penyap yeladi hadien bakila kanthi na kamala ka ba khandai jong ka we ka ying sa buriu ha Bharat City Society ki pulit ki laong bakate ka jingja kalaja hadien baki kini ki pa jong ki lakhang persha halor ki jingle kai game online kabala palat ka jing toket kadang ya chakman
उन्होंने लिखा था बच्चों की राइटिंग मैंने पहचान ली थी। ये लिखा था पापा सॉरी हम कोरिया नहीं छोड़ सकते, कोरिया हमारी जिंदगी है, कोरिया हमारी जान है और आप हमें नहीं छुड़ा सकते। आई एम सॉरी, हम जान दे रहे हैं बस। और सुसाइड नोट मैंने अभी देखा जस्ट उनके पास। सर बहुत बुरा हुआ है, ऐसे किसी के बच्चे के साथ ना हो। मैं कहूँगा सब बच्चे अपने गेम खेलना छोड़े, सब कोई भी माँ बाप अपने बच्चों को गेम ना खेलने दे। बस गेम में कब कौन सा टास्क हो जाता है ये नहीं पता लगता, हमें खुद नहीं पता लगा जी। ये बताते तो वैसे भी घटना ही ना होती। ऐप कोरियन वालों ने सेंड करा था लिंक, हमें नहीं पता, बाकी पुलिस वालों के पास फोन है, उन्हें सब डिटेल पता। दूसरा, अगर ये पता होती कि क्या टास्क दे रहे हैं, मैं वो गेम नहीं खेलने देता जी उन्हें। ये नहीं पता जी, ये कोई रिकॉर्ड नहीं है, ये रिकॉर्ड होता तो मैं गेम खेलने नहीं देता, बताता हूँ। इतने तो नॉलेज हमें भी है गेमों की, सारी चीजों की। हमें पता नहीं था वो गेम में, हमें तो आज फॉरेंसिक टीम से पता लगा वो गेम में थे। हम तो सोच रहे कोई खेल खेल रहे, चलो कोई बात नहीं।
Lapan jari da kabor pahara ki bating hajan ka Supreme Court ha Delhi hashwa ka jing bishal halo ka Special Intensive Revision pa ka jingwan ni jong ka mentri rangba ka West Bengal ka Mamata Banerjee hakamat ka Apex Court.
आपको हम दिखा रहे हैं जो रास्ता
Anil Shah ubastad hakalyang ka market expert uloong baya kayo jang kisto kalapli hakarukom kababha hadin balapin bana ya ka jingete hayi hapadeng ka India bat ka US lakado ya ka Nifty kala jam ya ka kirdan technical ha ki jing start ki bakongsan kabapen I ya ka jingla banyo ya ka jing muntai shushu ha ki jinglang banwan
की साइड तेजी की तरफ मार्केट खुला और अभी वहीं पर ट्रेड कर रहा है। अभी मार्केट ऐसा लग रहा है कि जो टेक्निकल एक लेवल था 25,200 निफ्टी का डेली मूविंग एवरेज, उसके ऊपर तो मार्केट आ गया है और अभी 25,800 जो 50 दिन की मूविंग एवरेज है उसके ऊपर टेक्निकली मैं बात करता हूँ पहले तो वही इसके ऊपर निकलेगा तो बाजार में अच्छी खासी तेजी आने की संभावना है। लेकिन थोड़ा एक कंसर्न भी है कि जो बजट में जो एससीडी का जो प्रावधान किया है ज़्यादा, तो उसकी इम्पैक्ट अप्रैल से क्या आती है, क्योंकि 1 अप्रैल से स्टॉक मार्केट में एससीडी जो ट्रेडिंग जो यानी कि जो मार्केट में जो डेप्थ लिक्विडिटी गायब नहीं हो जाए, क्योंकि बहुत बड़ा गैप रहेगा। क्योंकि एससीडी आप देखो तो हर साल पिछले 10 साल में एससीडी को बढ़ाया ही गया है, लेकिन ये बार भी एससीडी को सबसे ज़्यादा बढ़ाया है। तो वो भी लग रहा है कि अप्रैल से इसका इम्पैक्ट क्या रहेगा, क्योंकि देखो एफपीआई वाले भी क्या सोचते हैं कि भाई मार्केट में इंडियन मार्केट में डेप्थ लिक्विडिटी नहीं होगी तो इससे वो असर क्या पड़ेगा। बाकी बाजार फंडामेंटली मजबूत है, तो बाजार में आने वाले दिनों में 2-5 साल के लिए तेजी तो आने वाली है, तो इसके लिए बाजार ज़्यादा नहीं घटेगा। लेकिन मार्केट में देखो अच्छे लोगों को लाना है तो उसके लिए मार्केट में डेप्थ की बहुत ज़रूरत है। तो डेप्थ के लिए एससीडी जो गवर्नमेंट एक उसमें कुछ दोबारा सोचे तो ये इंडस्ट्री के लिए बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है और गवर्नमेंट के लिए भी जो आगे जाके काम करना है उसके लिए भी अच्छी बात है।
Apex News, India, Northeast.